Hi Best Buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden, and I'm so happy that you've joined me today. Today is hashtag Cathy Sewing Happiness, in which we'll have our drawing at the end of the video. It should be Shop the Restock. But because of lots of technical difficulties that I've had all week, we're not having the Shop the Restock this week. I'm going to show you what I went when I went shopping. So I'm going to do a flip through of what I've found when I was out shopping. Look, you guys, I found it. I can tell you where you can go to get this. How exciting is that? And also about what we're going to be doing in the next few videos with all this stuff. Because of my issues that I was having with my internet glitching and my cameras not working correctly and my editing tools it was just a cluster. I needed to get out. I needed to get out of the house. So I took a few hours and I went out and I decided that I wanted to get some inspiration. I went to Barnes & Noble, the book place, and I purchased this Daphne's Diary. I love the quality of this magazine, the artwork, the fact that the pages aren't real glary. I just think it's a wonderful piece that you can get so much inspiration from. So we're going to use this for inspiration coming up in the next few weeks. I also purchased this Daphne's Diary. Now they call this a coloring book. When I flip through it, to me, they look like unbelievable journaling pages, double-sided journaling pages. Aren't they gorgeous? That's what I saw when I flipped through it and I was at the store. I thought, yes, we can use this and we can make some beautiful things. Alrighty, so it's the Daphne's Diary Mindfulness Coloring Book. And is there anything else that it says on there? Nope. I'm just going to say, look for the pink one. All right. So for more inspiration, this is the Somerset Studio. Look at these tags on the front, guys. These tags alone are gorgeous. So there is lots of inspiration in this magazine as well. And I thought that we could make some things and get inspired by the pieces of artwork that is in this magazine. Absolutely gorgeous. Did I just find those tags? I think they were right here. Yep, there they are. Look at that. That is gorgeous. All right, so I couldn't help myself. I had to buy it. And it is volume 29, issue 2, May, June, July 2025. Alrighty, inspiration. What's next? I went to Hobby Lobby. I found some Tim Holtz Ideology. This one is little pieces of ephemera. Later on today, around, a couple hours after you see this video, there'll be another video up using a paper pad that I bought at Hobby Lobby, as well as this packet of ephemera. So in case you have something like that, you can follow along or see what I made, and then maybe you can hop over and make your own. Hop over in your own crafts room. This, they're just journaling cards or pocket cards, but I thought I'd like to see what they look like. I have yet to open them. I thought we would open them together. And then maybe we can make our own by looking at what is offered here. I also have this packet as well as this one that I've opened. And I thought we can either use these as templates, or we can see how they've constructed these so that we can make our own. These seem to be circles rectangles and ovals. And this one seems to be squares and rectangles. So they have been sewn around the edge. You can see that. So I just thought they looked really nice, and we can get lots of ideas and ways in which we can use these, as well as ways that we can make our own. So what else did I get? The Paper Studio at Hobby Lobby had these on sale. I got the Shabby Chic paper crafting kit. It's got stickers, it's got lots of beautiful papers, and it has lots of ephemera. I thought that we could make some things from this together. We opened the packet, brand new packet, see what we can come up with. They also had one here, different color, very similar. The Paper Studio Family Paper Crafting Kit. And it is very, very similar in the fact that it has stickers, journaling, scrapbooking paper, and the pieces of die-cut shapes is what they call them. So I thought that would be fun to do together. And then look here, guys. There's a Christmas one. Vintage Christmas Paper Crafting Kit. Yes, I know it's like 100 degrees outside, but I only get to Hobby Lobby once, maybe twice a year, and it's pretty far from my home. Both of them are pretty far from my home. And yeah, I don't like to go because I spend money when I go there. But I thought, yes, this is on sale. I'll grab it. Maybe later on this year, we will open this up and we will make some things out of this as well. So then I got a bag. Now, I did not get this at Hobby Lobby. I'm not sure what shop I got this from. $3.99. It feels like cloth. It is the neatest feeling. I've never felt a paper that feels like this. Really, it's really neat. It even comes with a little gift card, and I thought that we could make a journal out of this bag. Won't that be fun? I also got some paper, a paper pad. The Paper Studio, which was on sale when I went. This is True Blue. And later on today, maybe a couple hours, you will see me flip through in the beginning of the video, and we're going to make a wonderful piece of ephemera out of this paper in here. I think I called it the multi-fold out pocket and tags. It's a really fun piece of ephemera, and I used this paper pad. It is cardstock. And yes, I did get a paper pad that is Christmas. I couldn't help myself, you guys. I won't go there before Christmas, so I needed to grab it. I haven't opened it yet, so I can just show you a little bit here. It's wonderful, very vintage, very subdued. I think it will work out really well in some of our Christmas journals as well as our ephemera. So last but not least, I know I saved it for last, this. Where did I buy this? Where is it, you guys? Oh, a couple years ago, our Dollar Tree had this, and I think I bought 2 rolls at the time. And it was so much fun to use that I started hoarding it when I got close to the edge. That's why I haven't used it much lately. But when I found it, I actually squealed because it was so exciting to me. It's in the sewing section where they have the ribbon for, you know, where the fabric is and everything. It's at Hobby Lobby, you guys. It's $3.49 for 2 yards. You only use like 3 at a time, 4 at a time. This will last you so long. Hobby Lobby, you guys. Run and go get yourself a roll or order it. Maybe they have it online in which you can order your roll. All right, so this is Cathy Sewing Happiness Drawing for Happy Mail. And this is about you helping me spreading happiness through simple acts of kindness, letting someone in line at the grocery store because you have 20 items and they only have 2. Letting someone in line of traffic. Oh my goodness, what is that? People get behind the wheel and they turn into raving maniacs. So letting someone in line because nobody else will. Now remember, just let one person in line, otherwise you will make the people behind you upset, and that's not what this is about. So if you'd like to get your name into the fishbowl, and that will give you a chance to win Happy Mail from me to you as my way of paying it forward, you'll need to tell me in the most recent Cathy Sewing Happiness video your act of kindness towards another person. If you wish not to say your act of kindness, that's okay too. So you would need to type in the 2 words spreading happiness, and that will be your entry into the fishbowl. Now please don't say who has won Happy Mail this time, because sometimes people just look at the comments and they see if they've won. Now if somebody says who's won and they see their name, they get all excited. They know they've won the Happy Mail, but they forget to send me their address. You guys, I have to have your address to be able to send you your Happy Mail. All the instructions are down below in the description area. So you can say congratulations to the winner. That's all you'll need to do. So let me see who has won Happy Mail this week. And next week, I'm going to work really, really hard on getting everything that I had for this week, which was quite a bit, onto the Etsy shop. So hopefully it'll be a really big Etsy shop, the restock, next Sunday. I apologize this Sunday, but this week was really trying. All right, who's won Happy Mail this week? Debbie Breen, B-R-E-E-N, 6276. You've won Happy Mail from me to you as my way of paying it forward. You guys, if you've enjoyed the video, please give me a thumbs up. I invite you to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video, which is in a couple hours. I'll see you there. Bye now.